What are you guys looking at? Huh? What do you think? Should we go make another video on the truck? Yeah? Like that idea? Hmm? You think so? All right. Let's go make a video. Here we go. Let's go. Hello there. Welcome back. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys have had a great week. Today we're going to be talking about upfitter switches in the Ford Super Duties. What I use mine for, and kind of a sneak peek into something I'm going to use one for. I promised you guys a couple videos ago that I've got something coming up, a little hack with the four-wheel drive, so I'm dropping another little clue here. It's going to involve an upfitter switch, so if you're interested in what that might be, you might want to subscribe to the channel and stick around so you can find out. As soon as the weather warms up, we're going to get under the hood of the F350 and we're going to make something happen. So until then, today we're talking about what I am currently using my upfitter switches for. And so I'm going to spin the camera around here in just a second and I'll show you the labels, and then we'll step outside the truck and I'll show you what they're all controlling. Stick around. All right, so if you look here, you should be able to see I've got these labeled. aux1 is light bar, aux2 is amber DRL, that stands for daytime running light, aux3 is DRL, daytime running light, aux4 and 5 are currently not being used, and aux6 says rear lights. Hopefully you can read that okay. So rear lights is on a hot all the time switch. So if we flip that on, the truck's not running. And I'll step outside real quick here and show you my very messy pole barn. But no, really, these are my auxiliary lights here. I did a video a while back on the lighting upgrades I did to the truck, and those were one of the lighting upgrades. So if you want to see what those are about and see those in action in the dark, make sure you check that video out. So this will be upfitter switch number 1. That is my 20-inch light bar. So that's my, like I said, my little sneaker light, I call it, tucked in the bumper. And again, all of these lights that I'm about to show you, you can see in that lighting upgrades video that I'll link to this video at the end. So upfitter switch 1 is off. Upfitter switch 2 is on. That's my daytime amber running light in the light bar, and we'll leave that one on for a minute, and then I'll turn on my daytime running lights in my Morimotos. So, you know, if I want daytime running lights, I've got 2 different ones I can run. The amber light does help just a little bit if it's foggy. There's not a lot of light from it. It's almost not really worth turning on, but I can see just a teeny bit of difference when it's foggy outside. But yeah, so there you go. A lot of questions on forums and such. You know, what do you guys use your upfitter switches for? That's what I'm currently using mine for. I will give you guys, I'll get the camera back in the truck here, and I'll show you a couple more things. I'll give you a couple more hints, clues to what we're going to do with this upfitter switch, and see if you guys can figure it out. Okay, so the other upfitter switch is going to have something to do with this general area here, okay? And we'll jump out underneath the hood here, and show you another view here. And so it's going to have something to do with this general area in here. So that's all the hints I'm going to give you for now. Okay, so there you go. That's 4 of my 6 upfitter switches, what they're wired into, how I use them. There's lots of videos out there that show, you know, how to wire those in. It's pretty simple. I've showed you just a couple little tidbits, a couple little sneak peeks of what that next upfitter switch is going to get hooked into. I'm not going to give you any more information than that. You guys are going to have to subscribe and come back and check it out. But thanks for coming along today. Stick around at the end. I'm going to throw in a couple of bloopers for you so you can see kind of a little behind the scenes what it's like to be a content creator and sit here and talk to a camera when you want to say something, but you just don't know what. So anyway, hope you enjoy that. Hope you're having a great weekend. Thanks for coming along again today. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. This is the dead silence before a video when the content creator is trying to think of what to say. It's very awkward. Let's go with this. No, let's not go with that.